Welcome to Go Bears Diecast Workshop, episode 43. Remember, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. I'd like to thank all of you that are coming back to the channel, and if this is your first time, I hope you subscribe and come back and see my future work. This build-off happens to be a Hudson Hornet build-off with the 3 blind mice. It's the Daytona 500. And the casting, of course, is the gray Hudson Hornet. Now we're definitely going to make some changes to this one. Color change, interior. The base will probably stay the same with the chrome. Probably going to do some changes with the wheels and tires. Not sure if I have a new set for it, but we'll definitely make it look different. But I've already drilled and tapped it. So we're going to go ahead and take it apart. I'm going to take out my 256 button head screws. Now it's got a plastic base, as you can see. Pretty plain interior. There's the windshield and the casting itself. So I'm going to go ahead and get it in some stripper so that we can start working on preparing the casting for the color change. Now we've got it out of the stripper, I'm going to take my Dremel with a brass wire wheel, go over the entire casting. Just want to make sure that you don't have any leftover paint in any of those crevices or cast lines or grooves. Make sure you go over the entire body. I'll use various tools to prep the body for paint. Go ahead and get some steel wool. Go over the entire body. The casting wasn't in too bad a shape. Had a few cast lines that I'll have to take care of, but other than that, didn't have any bad divots in it or casting imperfections that I had to deal with. Saw a little bit of remnants of paint there. I got rid of that. Got some cast lines that I need to take care of. Went on and got my file. Go over those gently and then probably follow up with some 400 sandpaper. Just take your time when you're using these files. You don't want to take too much off. Before I go into paint, I'll make sure I wipe it down with some mineral spirits or thinner and get all of the greasy oil from my hands off of it. Now I'm going to use the Tamiya Fine Surface Primer. This is a light gray in color. I really like this because it doesn't take away any of the casting fine details. It's not very thick. Just make sure you get a good, nice, even coat over the entire body. Now I'm using some splash paints. Again, you guys know I love those splash paints. I've speeded it up some, but this is like a turquoise blue color. I really like the color. Looks fantastic on this casting. Now I'm going over it with some light coats, and again, this is speeded up. And don't forget to get the underside, wheel wells. Now I'm putting some 2K clear on it. I use the Automotive Nassau brand. Some nice even coats. You can really see that color popping through now with the clear on it. Be my final passes on the clear. Should take care of it. This is coming out really, really nice. You can see that shine on it. Now for the interior, I just took some rattle can flat black just to change the color from red to black so it wouldn't clash with the color of the casting that I chose. Again, just making sure I got full coverage. That's looking really good. Now it'll dry flat black. Now here's what we began with. Original casting was dark gray with a red interior. You guys know that I've changed the color to this turquoisey blue color with a black interior. And of course, here's my final product. It's Go Bear's Diecast Workshop. It's a sponsor for this Hudson Hornet. I chose the number 9 because that is my mother's birthday. And of course, my father is the driver, Harry Go Bear. His friends called him Harry. His real name was Harold. That's how I got my name, Harolyn. I hope you guys really like it. I think it turned out fantastic. As you can see on the wheels, I just turned those red stripes into white. I put a big number 9 on the back. And the number 9 on the doors. Put the chrome on the handles. And did the headlights. And I didn't run the chrome all the way down the body. I just thought the little accents on the front quarter panels was good enough. Here's some still shots. I really enjoyed this one. Hope you guys liked it. Remember, subscribe, like, share, comment below. I'll make sure I respond to every comment. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. And I'll have another one out next weekend. Hope to see you back at the channel. Enjoy.